Hey guys, it's Philip from the Honda Resource. Thanks so much for joining me for another episode on the 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord Sport. In this case, we're actually working on a 2014 model, but like I said, this information is applicable to 2013 to 2017. So today, we're going to be installing new air filters. So we have a new engine air filter and a new cabin air filter. So I figure we can just wrap up both of these in one single video, and I'll show you how to do it and the tools that you'll need to do it. I don't really think that any tools are actually required to do this, but yeah, I'll show you how to do it. Stay tuned, let's get to the video. All right, so engine air filters in this box here, and this is the factory part number. Well, I get most of my parts like this OEM. They're just a few dollars more, and I feel like the quality is much better than what you get at the parts store. I think that like my parts store engine air filters are about 20 bucks, and I think the cabin filter is about 20 bucks as well. So at Honda, this filter, the engine air filter, is only like 28 bucks, so $8 more than you get an OEM filter. And on the cabin filter, I think the parts store was also 20 bucks, and the OEM was 20 bucks, so at least we know we got good quality buying OEM parts. All right, so to install the air filter, there's these little metal tabs. You just push those back. There's two right here, one right over here. Here, I'll just give you a better angle on these. So these metal tabs, you see it's just got this little piece here. So you just push it right here, pops it off. To put it back on, you just get up under it and pick up on it. And pop back up on there. That's all it is to it. All right, and then you can lift up and slide it back. There's two little tabs here that slide into the box, the lower box. So there's our air filter. Looks like this one's been changed before. It says Service Champ. So yeah. It goes in like this. This side goes up, and it actually says Honda right here. It'll only go in one way, so slide our tabs back in here, press down, and then just pick up on these tabs, all three of them, and then this job is done. All right, so for the cabin air filter, that's the part number. All right, and so it's over here behind the glove compartment. So you have to clean up the glove compartment because all this stuff's gonna fall out anyway. Once you get everything out of the glove compartment, there's this little arm here that's like a dampener. So let's see. So what you have to do is push down on it right here, just like so. You see it comes loose. All right, and then on each side, you have to push in towards the area that it's easier if you use both hands. But see, it's got this piece here that catches here, so you just have to push both sides inward like this, and it lets it come down. Some other stuff. And then the cabin filter is in here. So it has a tab here, and then it has a tab here, and that pops off. Just their little piece here. It doesn't matter which way it goes. It can go this way or it can go this way. Same exact. And then that's the cabin filter right here. Ugh, it's dirty too. Whew. Probably never been changed. So you can see there how filthy that thing is. Look at that. It's going to be a whole new AC system with a fresh filter in it. All right, so you can see there on the air filter it says airflow, and it gives you direction. So the way this works is the air comes in from the top. All right, and then it goes through. You can see even there it says airflow. So we'll put it back in just like that. So So airflow. Slide it in, just like so. And then we'll put the little door back over it. Piece of cake. It just clips right back on. And that part's done. So then to reinstall it, you'll have to pull back in on the corners. Alright, you can see that's back on there. And then you have to get your little arm back on over here. So it's got a little spot there it goes in. You just have to get the arm over into it. And then pull up until it clips, just like that. Let's see, it works perfect. So now I just put all their stuff back in here and we're done. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of the Honda Resource, and hopefully now you can change out your crusty air filters right at home in your garage. Actually, I know you can. If you follow this video, you can do this. It's fairly simple, no tools required. Yeah, like I said, I recommend using OEM parts on these. You know, the original parts last you a good while, and it's only maybe a couple dollars more. And actually on the cabin filter, I think it's the same amount of money. So if you have a local Honda dealer, I would definitely recommend just using OEM parts. So be sure to check out some of the other videos on the 2013 to 2017 Honda Accord Sport. I also have a video for doing the rear brake pads as well as the valve cover gasket. So be sure to check those out too, and you can check those out up here on the playlist. And as always, I appreciate a like, a comment, and a subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you on another one. Peace.